Welcome back to my channel. We have made it to Thailand and we are currently in downtown Bangkok in the city, and because of COVID we have to quarantine, and we're quarantining for 14 days 15 nights. And for the quarantine we're not allowed to leave the room like at all. We can't go outside or anything. We get all our meals delivered to us every day, so we get breakfast, lunch and dinner delivered every single day. We also have to submit our temperatures, like we take our own temperatures. When we first got here they gave us thermometers and we have to take our temperatures and send them to them every day. And also we have to get a series of 3 COVID tests before we can leave. So yeah, we get to leave on August 20th to go to our normal house, so that's exciting. But I just wanted to show you guys where we've been staying for the last 15 days and like how everything is here. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So this is how it looks when you first walk in. And if you turn directly to the right, there's a bathroom here with just a toilet and a sink. There's shower, bath in here. And then come this way. This is a master bedroom. You walk in and there's this little like office thing. There's bags everywhere, just ignore that. But there's like a desk over here with our puzzle that we've been working on. And there's just a window over there. Here's the view. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that we're staying on the 50th floor. So you get really good view of the city. And then if you walk out back over here, okay, so then you open this door and it's like the actual master bedroom. There's just a bed and a TV right here. There's a TV and then a bed and another big window to look at the city. And then there's a bathroom. This bathroom has a bathtub and a shower and another toilet, you know, obviously, and a mirror. And then there's like this mirror, like to get ready in, and then this like closet. There's like one in each room, like just a closet connected to the bathroom. So that was the master bedroom. When you come back out here, there's like a little living room over here and there's a TV. Oh yeah, and usually we would have all of these windows open, but I just closed them all because if not you wouldn't be able to see any of the furniture and stuff. So I just closed it because didn't want to wash it out. This bedroom is the bedroom my brother's staying in. He just has it like a TV view again and the bed, and then his bathroom is right over there. So when you come back out into the living room, there's a little like dining area. There's just a table and then that's my school stuff. But here's the view again from over here. And then right near the dining room there's a little kitchen. It has an oven and a microwave, which this is the microwave and this is the oven, but we can't use the oven because there's no like, I don't know, pans and stuff. And then there's a little washing machine. There's like snacks over there. Oh my gosh, I can show you guys. So I wanted to show you guys, they give us these little snack bags. These are what the chips look like, and it has like written in Thai, and they just look like that. And then they also give us these. These are shrimp flavored peanuts, I think. So yeah, they give us like these and little snack bags with also a Coke. There's a little sink. There's also a burner, but we can't use that either because there's no pans. There's a fridge and a freezer, and then there's just like a little pantry that we have a bunch of snacks in. So that's the kitchen. Okay, and then lastly, this is me and Malia's room that we stay in. There's again another TV, a really nice view of the city, and all the windows will open up. Like you can slide them all open, which I love to have the windows open. I don't like to have them closed. And you can also open these ones over here to get more view. So yeah. But yep, this is the room me and Malia stay in. She sleeps over there and I sleep here. And then all of our suitcases and TV. And then that's our bathroom, which our bathroom looks exactly like the master bedroom one. And she's doing school in there because there's like a little sitting space. so I'm not gonna go in there because I don't want to distract her at school. But yeah. Oh yeah, each room also has their own like little AC control. You can like change the temperature and the fan speed, but I'm always cold, so the AC in our room is always off. Like I said, we usually have all the windows open like this, but for the sake of the video, I just closed them all while I was showing you, because if not, everything would be like washed out. But yes, the natural lighting in here, see, it's like washed out, but yeah, the lighting, like the natural lighting is so nice in here from all the windows. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour of our hotel room slash house that we've been living in for the past 15 days. But yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.